About 5 countries are eligible to work in this platform immediately, but other countries, especially Africans, can join in the long run. This platform has made a lot of people millionaires. It has helped so many people out of their debts, out of poverty. So if you are from Africa or many other countries, you have to join a wait list. But whenever you are out of that wait list, you will be sure that your story is going to change, because you will get to work steady and make a lot of money in hard currency. So if you are interested in doing online work, I'm going to discuss this platform with you. What do you need to join this platform? Number one, you need expertise. You have to be an expert in a particular field in order to work in this platform. Number two, you have to be certified. It will be a bonus or an advantage if you have certificate in any discipline. Number three, you have to pay attention to details. Number four, you should be able to work within a particular time. When you are given a job, you work. They will give you they will specify the time in which you should submit the assignment. So you should be able, if you must work with them, you should be able to work within the time limit that has been stipulated for that particular task. Another thing you need to work in this particular platform is your laptop or phone, and you need a steady internet. You also need a PayPal account of the country that you are going to use to sign in to withdraw your earnings every 28th of the month. What is the name of this platform and who is eligible? The name of this platform is prolific.com. Who is eligible to apply? Everyone is eligible. But if you are outside 5 countries, 5 foreign countries, you are going to join a wait list, unless you are going to find your way around it in order to register with the accepted countries. Every country is welcome. But if you are outside US, UK, Germany, and I think 2 other countries, you have to join a wait list. You'll be accepted, but you join a wait list. Whenever you are off the wait list, you can start working with them. How do you apply on Prolific? To apply on Prolific, you need a phone number. You will need an email address. You will need a PayPal account. And that PayPal account has to have the same email with the email that you are going to register on the platform. If that is not the case, you can still change your email to match the email on your PayPal account. If you are applying from Nigeria, you have to make sure you have a Nigerian PayPal, and the PayPal name has to be the same with the name that you are applying on the platform with. If you are registering as a Ghanaian, you have to have a Ghanaian PayPal account. If you are registering as an American, you have to have a US PayPal account. Be careful when you are applying, because some of the information you give them you cannot change. When you are off the wait list, if you are not from the 5 eligible countries, early eligible countries, what I mean is that the 5 countries that are eligible early are the countries that when you register, they will onboard you immediately. But if you are outside that country, you can register with them, but they will not onboard you. You have to join a wait list. So when you are out of that wait list, you will be given an invitation. You'll be sent an invitation to come for onboarding. During the onboarding, you have to be very careful so that it doesn't take much time. Follow the instructions strictly, because if it takes so much time to onboard you, to capture your face and all that, the website that they use for identification, if it takes so much time, they will not verify your account and you are out completely. You are out. If you want to register with a country other than yours, then you will have to find your way around it. I bet you this platform is worth trying. Go ahead and apply. Go to www.prolific.com and enter your information. Maybe join the wait list or get onboarded immediately. If you are from the US, UK, and few other countries. While applying, make sure you have the identity card or the driver's license of the country on which or with which you are applying. If they cannot identify you with the country you have entered, then there is no onboarding for you. What type of work are you going to be doing for Prolific? There are different types of works that you'll be doing, different kinds of works, like I think data labeling, data annotation, research, audio transcription. So many types of works you'll be doing for them, especially domain works. If you are an expert in a particular domain, they will give you works that relate to your domain, your expertise, your profession, and you do for them. If you're an engineer, they will give you engineering tasks and you do for them. If you are an English expert, English language expert, they will give you works that relate to your expertise or profession. So they're simple tasks, and I think they will pay you according to the how difficult the task they are going to give you is. You can go to prolific.com and apply. If you have any questions, you can use the comment section. I'll be in the comment section to address any issues that may arise out of your attempt to sign up or to apply to prolific.com. I wouldn't want this video to be too long, so I'll be stopping at this moment. If you find any value in this video, you can give this video a thumbs up. You can